Hello. Back again. So, why is the devil so mad at me? Could it be the fact that I've started making Christian rap music? I'm no longer rapping about things that he would co-sign. I mean, this verse alone is enough to anger. I don't know if you guys have heard this one yet. Check it out.
Right in your heart. They caught fire with dark. And true love never dies. It's alive, it stays right in your heart. Give me the mic, I'm knocking it out like Iron Mike. Burn it down, dancing the cinders and fires light right now. Stand at attention and grab a Bible, cause I might turn this night into a revival. Speaking of rivals, take a moment in prayer. I'll grab the devil by his horns and throw him in the air. As close as he will, never get to the gate. Look right there, at the stupid look on his face. He's been waiting for a slip up, lose control like a hiccup. But I got Jesus in my core like doing a zillion sit. I'll have to laugh at the stuff cause this cat knows fire, y'all. He can try all he wants, but he can't pass my firewall. Sipping it up cause I am not giving up. Moving up like Georgia Weezy cause I'm living in depth. Lord forgive me for the things that I did while tripping up. It's not the falling that defines me, it's the fact that I got up, got up, got up, got up, got up, got up, got up.
Tell me that's not fire.
Mike, I'm not. Give me the mic, I'm knocking it out like Iron Mike. Burn it down, dancing the cinders and fires light right now. Stand at attention and grab a Bible, cause I might turn this night into a revival. Speaking of rivals, take a moment in prayer. I'll grab the devil by his horns and throw it in prayer. I'll grab the devil by his horns and throw him in the air. I'll grab the devil by his horns and throw him in the air. As close as he will, never get to the gate. Look right there, there. At the stupid look on his face. Look right there, at the stupid look on his face. He's been waiting for a slip up, lose control like a hiccup. But I got Jesus in my core like doing a zillion sit. I'll have to laugh at the stuff cause this cat knows fire, y'all. He can try all he wants, but he can't pass my firewall. Sipping it up cause I am not giving up. Moving up like Georgia Weezy cause I'm living in depth. Lord forgive me for the things that I did while tripping up. It's not the falling that defines me, it's the fact that I got up, got up, got up, got up, got up.
Okay.
Gone science back.
Just sit back,
We're here again.
relax,
Pandemic.
and listen.
Looking back, how hopeless was my dreams. I was so broken in the streets. Grief was all I really knew. Losing and defeat. I was so used to getting beat. I thought I would never win again. People tried to save me with the same God that I would sin against. That's insubordination. I knew it was more than patience. And due to big corporations, now I'm used to distorted statements. Getting used to rich people hoarding paper. They just take it all, employ you, then can't afford to pay you. Making waves, got in a little trouble then. What kind of life are you really living when you can't trust your friends? Give me a comical reason for popular thinking. I'm adjusting my lens, I'm remaining anonymous, stating the obvious. Here I go, discussed it again, I'm perfectly sick. For those that ask, was it worth it to quit? I'd say so for the most part. It wasn't me, it was God, it was nothing to him. A man who had nothing, giving truth, now I got something to give. This is my moment, so here it is. This is my moment. A second of time, I never could find ahead of my time. They're telling the slides, I know it. If this is my moment, this is my moment. I gotta repent,
Here I come
gotta
up.
forget, I'm not here to quit. I gotta remember to show it.
Listen to me, pay attention to me. The symphony that accompanies me. There's something to see, but what's something for me? Nothing's free, so unfortunately, I'm starting to bleed and trying to breathe. It wasn't enough, so I fall on my knees. You better be tough, cause it's not enough to try again. Give it your all, they're taking it all. The hell with the fact they're making you fall. They're calling your bluff, start calling you stuff. You want it to stop, they'll swallow you up, spitting you out before you are done. Open your mouth, start speaking your truth. Get the F out, start trying to run. You better not pout, start showing the proof. This is your moment, it hurts a bit, don't it? You want it to stop, you better start showing it. The minute you do, the haters will know it. God is your coach, evil's your opponent. You're a component of spreading the light. You're not alone, you got God in your life. As long as you know what the word is, you're right. If they disagree, they're not on your side.
This is my moment. A second of time, I never could find ahead of my time. They're telling the slides, I know it. If this is my moment, I gotta repent, I gotta forgive. I'm not here to quit, I gotta remember the show. Conquer the challenge. On the same page. Good night. I don't want some kids
Started taking puffs.
pray to God if you believe in him. I don't ever break a promise. I'm keeping it. And what you saw your eyes if you can see with them.
When I was a child, I used to think I wasn't good enough. Started to get wild and acting out by doing stuff. Hit my team, started taking puffs. Marshmallow man, till my castle fell and washed away like yellow sand. Didn't have a plan, like a birdie, I was swinging it. Throwing out my back every time I went to bat, swinging it. Still remember the day my mama left me on this cold earth. June of '99 when she was lowered in that cold dirt. Lost my mind, looking for answers. Why did this have to happen? Crying out my eyes while holding a handful of naps. I heard a voice telling me to smile, that she was in heaven instantly. Thought of something I told her when I was 11. Just got back from church, learned about the Holy Ghost. If she believed she'd never die, she cried and she held me close. At that very moment, I just knew that God was legit. Praise the Lord, the only Son, who died for all our sins. The master of our domain, who created everything. You could never sing a song that angel has never sang. You could think of anything, but still couldn't have a patent. He thought of it first, man. Without him, we're all apps. Worship, live a good life. Ended on an upswing. Throwing out this fireball. Like my name was Luke Kane.
That's one of the.
I don't care about your belief system.
That's one of the deepest verses I've ever wrote about my grandma dying, acting out as a kid.
When I was a child, I used to think I wasn't good enough. Started to get wild and acting out by doing stuff. Hit my team, started taking puffs. Marshmallow man, till my castle fell and washed away like yellow sand. Didn't have a plan, like a birdie, I was swinging it. Throwing out my back every time I went to bat, swinging it. Still remember the day my mama left me on this cold earth. June of '99 when she was lowered in that cold dirt. Lost my mind, looking for answers. Why did this have to happen? Crying out my eyes while holding a handful of naps. I heard a voice telling me to smile, that she was in heaven instantly. Thought of something I told her when I was 11. Just got back from church, learned about the Holy Ghost. If she believed she'd never die, she cried and she held me close. At that very moment, I just knew that God was legit. Praise the Lord, the only Son, who died for all our sins. The master of our domain, who created everything. You could never sing a song that angel has never sang. You could think of anything, but still couldn't have a patent. He thought of it first, man. Without him, we're all apps. Worship, live a good life. Ended on an upswing. Throwing out this fireball. Like my name was Luke Kane.
The pain's coated the rain, snow when it changed. New trust is a
Just busting through, seeing if this is the one I'm thinking of.
social distance. Fire, caught fire.
Now, stand at attention and grab a Bible, cause I might.
Yeah, you guys have heard this one.
Fire in dark, and true love never dies. It's alive, it stays right in your heart.
Give me the mic, I'm knocking it out like Iron Mike. Burn it.
Let's see.
Was off balance, but I got it back and count. My loop, they was this way to try.
Somewhat of a surprise. Used to be cupping in my eye.
Can't remember, did I play this one yet?
I changed the gears on the fly in my 42 years of life. The fact that I haven't died is somewhat of a surprise. Used to be cupping in my eyes and the prize. Surrounded by wrong people kept me too heavy to rise. Kinda like fog of bread made by the wrong hands. Blood money, like grabbing a knife in the wrong end. On the mic I was a searching potential for spawn precision. Like the tools and the know-how, how did I dodge prison? They called me a bad boy like the 90s Detroit Pistons. All that is behind me when I was anointed a Christian. My soul is like helium, will rise after my death. Or like bread, baked by the hands of a master chef. Just listen, make the wrong decision to drive and fall. With blurred vision, getting a collision, it's your fault. Words, I'm giving you the tools for long division. Do the math, stay in school, don't make the wrong decision.
Here's an old school track. This is shoot, from 2012, maybe? Couple people said they liked this one before. It's harder to hear, you know what I'm saying? Like some of my older music. Anyways, I just wanted throw you guys a little bit. Didn't want to play the whole songs, give you guys something to wait for. Alright. Anyways, I'm Maddie. 5 Gs. What does that even mean?